Gold or precious metal IRAs hold the ability to diversify your retirement account. They work the same way as a traditional IRA with some additional advantages. This video is about Gold IRAs and their role in protecting your retirement savings, so stick around until the end. Full disclosure, this information may not all be accurate as market and policy changes may happen from the time this video has been published. A Gold IRA provides diversification from other investments, such as stocks and bonds, which may be erratic during times of high inflation or economic uncertainty. Due to its price's long-term stability and low volatility, gold is one of the safest investments you can make. You can own gold bullion through a specific kind of self-directed individual retirement account, known as a Gold IRA. In a traditional IRA, you cannot hold physical gold, but you can invest in several assets that have exposure to gold, such as shares of gold mining companies or exchange-traded funds, EFTs. Advantages of Gold IRA. These precious metals are not liquid and thus are suitable to hold for a long period of time. Gold is an asset nobody wants to exchange often, and this helps to protect the assets from the market volatility. Traditional and Roth IRAs have no major difference overall, but conventional IRAs are deductible. Gold IRAs are tax-free, but it should be kept in mind that they are not 100% free. In the case of Gold IRA, you have to pay account charges like custodian fees, annual account charges, etc. You must also pay the specified amount of tax if you liquefy the amount before turning 60 from your retirement account. Gold IRAs are self-directed. Although a custodian is hired to take care of all of these matters, you only consider all the matters regarding the investments and purchase of assets in the Gold IRA account. Choosing an IRA account. Partner with a trusted company to keep the assets safe when you open the account. Several registered companies, like Goldco for example, provide you with the best services according to your needs. Make sure that all the companies you are choosing are IRS approved. After selecting the company, choose an IRA custodian who will take care of all of your matters on your behalf. These professionals are a must-have to avoid any possible risk in the investment. Your custodian will buy the precious metals and assign you a depository according to your assets because keeping the assets in the home is strictly prohibited. If you do so, it will result in some taxes and penalties. If you'd like to learn more, you can get a free Gold IRA kit by visiting the website shown in this video or in the description. This kit contains valuable information for starting a new account, doing a rollover, adding assets to it, and picking a custodian. Instructions on how to buy gold and other precious metals, how to store them, and how to withdraw money from the account may also be included in the kit. Stay tuned for more details, as we will undoubtedly appear on your screens with some more amazing content soon.